Hi!
Really? This again?
Are you bored of—
No!
Well, have I got the OS for you.
Look, man, I need some coffee, right? If I come back and there's some weird shit on my laptop, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, cool, glad we got that down. Oh god! Well, that was something anyways. Hello everyone, Snoopy here, and today we're going back and doing something I haven't done in a very long time. Something without any purpose or point, like me. But for real though, after being inspired by a user in the Discord server, which I encourage you not to join, that place is hell on earth, I embarked on an adventure to find a few Linux distros that are, say, a little bit unconventional. So let's have a look at what I found, shall we? But before we do that, in true Dragon ripoff fashion, we're going to install an SSD. Well, another reason being I just don't have any more spare hard disks, so yeah, we're just gonna use this one, which I used in that video a long time ago, I think now. Still got the scratch. Well, I guess that's not technically true, I still have this hard disk, but probably shouldn't use that for this, because it might introduce instabilities. So let's get this in. Oh. Alright, cool. That's gonna let that finish. Oh, that was quick. I've done this so many times, I could like do it in my sleep at this point. Come over here, you take the screw off, take the cover off, pull this thing out, pull the hard drive out, take the bumpers off the hard drive, take the screws out, oh god, take the hard drive out, put the hard drive in, oh wait, wrong thing, screws back in, god damn it, okay. Gotta put the bumpers back on. You don't want that hard drive to go ahead and wobble the computer now, do you? Take this, put it in here, slide it in, take the cover, put it on here, push it in a little bit because it doesn't fit right, screw it back in, and the SSD is installed. So now with the SSD installed, we can now install our first operating system, which is oh god. Now, sometimes I'm curious how differently the Linux community would have developed if instead of the mascot being Tux, you know, the penguin, it was instead Xenia, a fox girl. Okay, now wait a minute, what the fuck am I talking about? And well, I don't blame you for not knowing, because I didn't actually know she existed until recently either. So if you're curious, there is a website in the description, and yeah, very good website, might I add. Truly an example of modern web design. Now, back to the original point, there probably would have been a couple more of these, wrong site. UwUntu Furry Remix. Now, what is UwUntu Furry Remix, or as it is more commonly known, Ufurmix? The thing is, I don't really know. You see, there is actually very, very, very little information about this operating system. Another thing that makes it even harder is that it's a bit old and it's also abandoned, but this is the only operating system that I could find that claims to be Ubuntu for furries. And I can put that in the video title, and you can't stop me from doing that. So what we're going to be doing today is just having a bit of a look, and perhaps, I don't know, this might be the very first time that this operating system has actually been demoed on YouTube. So let's get started, shall we? I feel like we've done this 1,000 million times. Turn it on, and then once you see the screen, press Think Advantage button, F12. I don't even have to look at the menu. Now we can select USB HDD, Kingston Data Traveler G3. And now we can see that beautiful old Ubuntu installer. Kind of sad they didn't go ahead and change that. Oh, did they change the terminal colors? It was always like, oh my. Very nice. Look at that old Ubuntu installer. So this is like also not only is this a look at Ubuntu for furries. Nice background, by the way. That actually looks kind of nice. I like the color scheme. This is also a look at Ubuntu 10.03, which is Linux from 2010. Okay, good job. Scary. The installer isn't really that different. So let's see here. I don't remember what's on this drive. I didn't mean to press that, but I mean, I guess we're good. Thank you for choosing Ubuntu 10.04 LTS. Oh no. You notice how it looks like garbage? I wonder if maybe it's not compatible with this graphics card, because this OS, it's older than this computer. Oh no, this computer's from 2012. And this operating system's from 2010. Oh, well, I hope it's okay. Oh god, I forgot about that. Completely slipped my mind. You guys remember back when Ubuntu was meant to be an OS to revive old computers? Yeah, I missed that. Use tags to describe your photos so they can easily... I can't read. Use the export option to write your photos to CDs, email them to friends, or share them online. To get started, choose Fspot. Why the hell did they choose the name Fspot? Good God. I remember this box. It's been so long since I've installed Ubuntu, I don't even know if it's still like that. Remove the install disk and close the tray if any. Install disk. You think I'm some sort of peasant? And now here we go, booting into... Oh wow, that is the fastest boot up I have ever seen. What the hell is this layout? Oh, look at this. Applications, places, preferences. Oh man, Ubuntu Software Center. Look at this UI. It's like GNOME, isn't it? I think so. Wow. But why is that up there? Is this... How does this work? Why are there two bars? Whoa, it comes with Blender. Nice. Inkscape? Did Linux always come with Inkscape? I know it didn't always come with Blender. Excuse me? That's the thing. I have never used Ubuntu 10.04 before. I don't know what they changed. This is a problem. Tomboy notes, huh? Welcome to... I'm not gonna be able to keep it together for this. Use the Start Here note to begin organizing your ideas and thoughts. I've got some thoughts, alright. Okay, cool. Pretty sure what is Crotcho Pastel? I have never heard of that before. Oh yeah, but this is very much a GNOME thing. Let's see. New. Oh, right, okay. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, so up arrow. I see, so it's a Tetris clone. Very nice. Oh god, no. No, that's not where I meant to put that. No. Oh, okay, alright. Well, let's go ahead and look at what else is on the operating system. I've been at this for like half an hour. Okay, now we're going to press close on that. I'm going to pretend that didn't happen. End my suffering. Oh my god, that was horrible. So what I actually meant to do... What's a disk analyzer? Okay, we'll figure that out later. What I want to do is see if... where's, like, settings? Oh, it would probably be in system. Okay, there we go. So, appearance? So these are the different UI colors. Look at how 2010s it looks. Oh my gosh. What's this? That's great. Okay, that's cool. We're gonna go with that. Monitors. That sounds about right. Monitors. That is not okay. Yeah. Oh, sure. Yeah. 1024 by 768, baby. That's exactly what it is. The hell it's not. Okay. It's actually called that. We gotta get UwFetch on here somehow. Assuming I have network drivers. I can make that work. You guys like my orange Ethernet cable? I'm just gonna put this in here. Ah, man, that's how you know it's good. This is a newish cable. That's how you know it's crunchy. Fuzz flakes. Ah, yes, there we go. Nice. I want that in my new Linux. No. No. Look at that though. User share Ufurmix art. Oh wait, Ufurmix artwork. They did make this. Oh my, what? So you can switch your search engine to Wikifur. You open up your goddamn web browser, you can search for furry shit immediately when you turn. This is amazing. Oh my god. So as we can see, en.wikifur.com/wiki special search test. Very nice. Absolutely incredible. Put on the screen whether or not that actually still exists. Wikifur, I've never heard of it. Okay, so this is amazing. I really want to see if I can get this HTML file out of here now. So, you know, we can do that. So, let's see here. So, come over here, drag it in. Absolutely amazing. All mine. I'm putting this on my fucking website. File secured. Yeah, it's going on my website. I'll put a link on the screen if I'm actually going to do that. No network devices. Okay, so yeah, I just need to... Maybe I'll come back to this one day if you guys want me to. And we can use something a little bit more time appropriate and might actually have internet compatibilities. Okay, what was I doing right? Oh, right. So let's have a look at the desktop backgrounds. So would that also be an appearance? It is. Gray. Very impressive. No desktop background. Cosmos. Earthen Ibex. Very interesting, very interesting. Again, I don't know which one of these are default. This one probably is on Moonlight. Very nice, nice. I like that. Nice. It's like rock painting. All these are actually really nice. This is not what I expected, to be honest. Yeah, these are like actually... These are desktop backgrounds you could set. Go to a coffee shop and like actually use your computer and people wouldn't look at you funny. Like, yeah, this is totally fine. You can use this. This is great. I would actually use some of these. Ubuntu Furry. What does that word say? It's not only is it cursive, it's like compressed, so I can't like read it. Oh, there's more. No, there's not more. That's it. Ah, that's unfortunate. Well, that was Ubuntu Furry Remix. 10 out of 10 would daily drive. Just gotta update it a little bit. It's a bit out of date at the moment. No crap, wrong show. So now that we've looked at Ubuntu for furries, it seems only correct that we look at Ubuntu for weebs. Can't innovate anymore, my ass. So while I'm still under the influence from this stuff in this scene, let's have a look at the website, shall we? UwUntu. I thought about it, there's gonna be no way to say that name that doesn't result in me saying uwu, so I'm just gonna embrace it. So, yeah. So immediately you might notice a bit of a problem, and that is, there's supposed to be images here. Why are they not loading on my iOS 6 iPad? And well, I figured out exactly why. All of these images are fucking WebP. Right, so automatically the website gets a 0 out of 10 just for using WebP, but luckily since we have the power of Google Chrome, we can at least load some of the images and most of the CSS works. So this is actually an inactive development Linux distro. So that's really cool. That means actually this will work on the T420 because instead of the operating system being older than the computer, it is in fact 9 years newer. So as we can see here, there's some lovely desktop backgrounds with a couple of cats. And just to show you, because they didn't actually put it anywhere else in the site. No, wait, that's not where it says it. Give me a sec here. I forgot how this site is laid out. God. UwUntu, the best weeaboo OS. Nice. So I have finally found it. Ubuntu for weebs. So as we can see, out of the box, it comes with some great applications. Calibri. Never heard of it, I don't read. Tor. Okay. VLC. For watching things. Very nice, very nice. You got QBitTorrent. I prefer transmission, but I respect your opinion. Opera. And also Discord. I appreciate the silent rebelliousness by using the old logo. Very much appreciate that. They should not have changed the color. That old blue. Oh, it's so good. You notice how it doesn't stop loading? Like, in testing, too, I've left it for like 20 minutes. It does not stop loading. Well, it stopped now, so that's cool. Kids these days, they're JavaScript. So now let me clean all this shit up and we can look at the operating system. Leave message. Amazing feature. Why doesn't all Linux have that? Okay, so now... well, luckily... Is this, like, actually any easier? Huh? What? Wait, huh? Recovery menu I told you to turn off. Okay, what? Oh god, that's not how you spell it. Shut down now. Why do you take me here again? I told you to shut down. Okay, so now we can install the other operating system. Just gotta put the thumb drive back in the computer. We've fucking done this before. As you can see, I have the shit. As we can see here, I have the appropriately named CD-ROM, so I can just put this into the... Cruisers are usually good. Why? It's totally done. I gotta like hold on to it. SanDisk Cruiser Glide. Enter, and here we go. transported directly into the hell dimension. Oh my god, I haven't seen that in so long. The little keyboard in the person, it's like press things so you can input stuff. Is that a cat? I ain't got no fucking time for that. Stop. Hey, no, stop. Do you want the other control? I'll give you all the That's not what I asked for. What the fuck? ST did, not a typewriter. Linux kernel. Haven't been cleaned up since 1908. Think I'm typing on a goddamn typewriter. This computer does sound kind of nice. You might think it's a typewriter. You notice something? You notice how the text mode actually looks good? Because it's actually at the proper resolution for this monitor? It's fucking great. Nice. Oh man. Again, I don't know if that's UwUntu or if it's Ubuntu, but my god, that sounded amazing. So now we're going to install UwUntu. They even changed the text on the installer. Very nice. Installing the mother of all operating systems here, Jack. Can't fret over a few lost files. Violence bleeds a violence. But in the end, it has to be this way. Ooh. This is gonna sound like shit when I edit it. Shotwell is a handy photo manager that's ready for your gadgets. Connect a camera or your phone. Or a phone, sorry, not your phone. You have to steal one, I guess. You waiting for UwUntu to install? I love this so much. What? I would like a 10, please. I don't get it. I'm loving this so much. This is amazing. Oh my god. The only problem with using meme formats in your fucking Ubuntu installer is that I can already tell this is a teensy bit dated. Nobody uses that exact format anymore, but still, this is amazing. Ask UwUntu. Ask UwUntu. Okay, alright, restart. Same restart box, very nice. So it is still like that, previous me, so just in case you were curious. Are you gonna tell me to remove the disk from the tray or no? Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. I can do that. It's not quite the basically instantaneously. Oh, I don't like that. Oh no, did you see? Oh, OCD issue, but still. Okay. 420. Oh my god, you know my password now. I know you never expected that one. Canonical Live Patch helps keep your computer secure. No. No. Fuck off, please. Oh, no initial setup. I guess I better look through it. Help improve a but. You missed one. No. Okay, but... okay. Can you go away now? Yay! Look at that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. UwUntu. Machi... Google Translate, take it away for me, will ya?
Mango.
Thank you. It has been a very long time since I've used Ubuntu. I know it did that. Okay, just to be clear, like my entire Ubuntu sex history is Ubuntu 14.04 LTS, which I used for stupid reasons, which was Unity based, and then I used Ubuntu 16.04 LTS for other stupid reasons, but both of those were Unity based. So we've entirely jumped the whole Unity escapade as far as Ubuntu history goes, because they went and used Unity for a very long time, and then it was only like quite recently they switched to using GNOME instead of Unity. I don't know why people dislike Unity so much. It wasn't really that bad. It might have been a little inefficient, but so is that. If I hover over it, are you going to tell me what it is? Wait, does Ubuntu normally come with Google Chrome? Seems a little odd. Two-finger scrolling. Oh my god, that's two-finger scrolling. Nice. Cheese. Oh, don't mind if I fucking do. Oh, whoa, wait a minute, what? Why is the icon like that? I'll plug in the orange cable to the rescue! Shit, I missed. Where the fuck does it go in? Oh god, no, that doesn't go in the video. I'm gonna pull on this a little bit. You know, the cable's a fit, pull on it fucking harder. Oh, cool, he picked up my printer. Nice. It's fucking doxing me now. Give me a second. Oh, okay, never mind. Thank you for having some other default location put in. I was gonna say, 87 is a bit high. Android called, they want their fucking UI design back. What the fuck is this? Anyway, let's have a look at the desktop backgrounds. Ah, I see. Such a shame going ahead and giving them to me all at once. Again, these are nice. Why are these trees so hard to find, by the way? I tried finding pictures of them for a project a very long time ago, but I didn't know what to type in to get these trees. But as we can see here, let's make it smaller. Oh my god, oh, it's so nice. Ah! And we got this one. Hey. Wait a minute, is that the fucking macOS background? Got this one. Ah, man. That's nice. Again, this monitor just does not do it justice. UwUntu with the cat. Oh man, this is amazing. So let's just set it to this one because, I mean, it's probably, like, yeah, let's just set it to that one. Nah, fuck it, let's go with the other one. Ah, it's so nice. Oh, well, that's weird. I was dunking on it for not coming with transmission, but it comes with transmission. It comes with transmission. Okay, that's odd. Didn't you say it came with QBitTorrent, or does it come with both? Yeah, it does. Why do you need QBitTorrent and transmission? Like, they're both great, I think. I hear the name BitTorrent and something. I still have, like, uTorrent PTSD, so I don't really know. I like the icon pack. I don't know if Ubuntu is like this, but I still do like the icon pack. But anyway, let's see here. So, I'm hoping there's a custom start. That would be so good. No, well, that might just be Opera being Opera, so... Aw. You know, I don't think they might actually be able to on the newer operating systems if they can set an actual custom start page. Well, still though, I really like this operating system. Viewer, what about if I told you to go with our lovely new UwUntu installation? There was a program which went so perfectly. The name sounds like it was made by the same person. Well, guess what? Cover your ass. Because there is. And it is called UwUfetch. Absolutely amazing. If it'll let me put it on the computer, that would be cool. Okay. Now, what this is, that it's essentially NeoFetch. Or Screen Fetch, I don't know. They're both the same thing. But instead, everything is virgin flavored. Like me. There's a fucking spider on my computer. Get the fuck off. So let's go ahead and look in here. ls install.sh. So let's do it. Why is there an uninstall.sh? As if we would want to uninstall it. Do I need to run it as sudo or chmod it? Snoopy, like, yes. Oops, I misspelled it. Right, so I do need to chmod it. Cool. So now, you can get it in all of its glory. Let's clear out. That screen just looks terrible. It doesn't matter what you do. We make history here, folks. Can't even fucking spell right. I need to sudo the... Fine. Do we need to go in there and see... We cleared the fucking screen again. The science spelled clear. So now we make history. Ah, unknown. Well, I guess it would be. Like, we need UwUntu. We need UwUntu support in UwUfetch. Okay, we've got host 4177Q5U ThinkPad T420 kernel Linux 5.8.0. Isn't that kind of an old kernel? Fuck off. Intel Core i5 2520M CPU at 2.50 gigahertz. GPU, second generation core processor family integrated graphics controller. RAM is 910 megabytes out of 5,717, so about 6 gigabytes. The resolution is shit, and OUP time is 31 minutes. Absolutely amazing. And there we have it. UwUntu. Excuse me while I go make a pull request on UwUfetch to see if I can add UwUntu into its supported distros. I will learn whatever the fuck language this is made in for the sole purpose of adding that distro. Or I can just make a pull request and whine about it until someone else does. I said no crab. How the hell am I supposed to segue this? So now that we've looked at Linux for furries and Linux for weebs, it only makes sense that we look at Linux for people who have not upgraded their CPU since 1995. Goddamn right, leave your fucking A8CI, your ACPI, and your x86_64 at the door, because today we're having a look at pure, unadulterated i686 compatible software. Brought to you by KNOPPIX. I'm not going to show the website this time because it's like actually kind of boring, but yeah. So obviously for something like this, we're going to need something a little bit older. Unplug, goddammit. Oh god. How much is it? How much is there? That much. Got it. I bring you the Dell PowerEdge 1300. Let's pop the hood, shall we? "640 megabytes of DDR SD RAM, a 400 megahertz Intel Pentium II microprocessor, and 9.5 gigabytes of SCSI-based storage. This thing will probably run Linux, I think. But before we do that, Doktor, disable my insanity inhibitors."
Bro, they're already off.
Oh, well that makes sense. Anyhow, let's put this fucking network card in there. This is harder than I remember. Ow. God. Okay. Whew. It's in. Now, I said I lost all the silver screws like many years ago, but I do, however, have these gamer screws. Yeah, that does that. So I'll just install one of these, and my actually the correct size screwdriver. Nice and tight. Nice. Now, you might notice all we have here is the keyboard, and well, I pre-tested KNOPPIX, and since we've got like 205 kilobits of video memory, it never loads the GUI, so we're just going to use text mode, which does kind of limit our options a bit, but I'll find something interesting we can do. Now you might be noticing another thing that's a bit interesting. I am holding a thumb drive, and this computer is like really old. And you might be thinking, well wait, no, that would never work in there. And you would be right, actually. But I found a workaround for USB booting on these older computers. So let me just get this masking tape off of here. Yeah. So as you can see, there are two USB ports, and I have it in the furthest one. Plop. And essentially what this will allow us to do is, instead of, you know, the booting being handled by the BIOS and everything, it'll instead be handled by Plop. And using it, it'll boot off of USB things. So all I should need to do is take this floppy disk, put it in, plug the computer in, I guess. Goddamn RAM test, what the fuck? There's not even that much RAM in there. Cover previously removed, I wonder when that happened. Yes, this is the Plop disk, nice. I've got the stars. So now we can come over here and select USB, press enter, and it'll boot up using the USB thumb drive. And there we are, in KNOPPIX. So there are some options we have to put in. So first we have to actually type in KNOPPIX, strange enough. KNOPPIX, and then there's another one. Oh, run level 2, so KNOPPIX space 2. And now it'll start loading KNOPPIX. Intel Pentium II deschutes at 397 megahertz. A 3D Rage 2C AGP. So that's where the AGP slot went. It went for that piece of shit to be soldered to it. God damn. What a waste of a perfectly good AGP bus. So here we are. We are now at... It's probably as far as we're gonna get, because there's no point in installing this operating system, because it's gonna be like basically the same. So if you're on IPA... No, we should be picking up the... Yes, we are. So it is picking up the Ethernet adapter. So all I should have to do... So now let's try it again with the Ethernet cable connected, and look at that. I think it worked. It did. It got itself an IP address. Nice. Now that we have ourselves a DHCP'd IP address, if we apt update... Oh my god, this will take so long. I am in disbelief that this is working. So I just gotta say it again. This is insane. This is modern Debian running on a Pentium II. A fucking Pentium II! Bruh, why is it taking this long to download 0 bytes? 0 bytes! Bruh, we're rivaling the first gen Raspberry Pi for how long it takes to sudo apt update. Oh my god, it's done. So now we can install UwUfetch. Is that a problem? Like, should I be worried about that? It says kill. Kill usually isn't good. Let me run sudo apt update again. Okay, took you long enough. Apt update. It would kind of suck if this doesn't work, so yeah. Reading package lists. Oh, here we go again. I wonder, are we allowed 2 TTYs? Oh, we are. So, let's see what's actually being used here. I don't know what the... Whoa! Haha, wow. We are currently using 100.0% of the CPU and just about all of the RAM, I think. With all this load, I gotta wonder, how hot is it? Oh, wow. That's warm. Microprocessors, son, they heat in response to code execution. Okay, that's enough with the fucking MGR jokes. It's still reading the goddamn package list. What the fuck? Why are you still reading the package lists? Ugh, I don't want to Control-C it. We've already come so far. I guess I'll just leave it. Alright, have fun. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. We can't go anywhere with this. Okay, well, can we at least use the internet some? Do we have links installed on here? No! Why do we not have links? Am I spelling it wrong? I bet I'm spelling it wrong. Okay, does that work? Are you getting it? Oh, whoa, hey. Oh my gosh, we've got it. A text mode web browser. Okay, enter URL. Let's go to google.com. It works! Look at that! We're web browsing on Debian Linux. Let's see, let's try a different site. Let's see. What is it? KNOPPIX.info? KNOPPIX. Oh, look at that. Why is it? The layout, it's so good. Look at that. It's a text mode browser, but it's like actually laid out nicely. Let's go to my website and see if that works. Oh, okay, so up and down navigates the different hot links. So this whole thing is like an image, so it makes sense why it would do that. That is surprising though. I guess it doesn't like divs. I am not surprised, I guess. Whoa. You can read the guide to install macOS 9 on an iBook using links on Debian on a Pentium II. It like looks good too. Like the formatting here is totally acceptable. Maybe I should rethink that alt text in some of these. It was a joke, but if there's like browsers that like actually need it, I think I might need to go back and fix that. So now for one more thing. Since we couldn't get UwUfetch to work, since I already have a copy of UwUfetch, what if we can get that to run on here? I think it should work. Most notably because, watch this. So LSB, just to show you I'm not like kidding here. So I think it's LSB_release -d. This is the longest dash version I have ever seen. At least I think that's what it's doing. Well, if we can get UwUfetch on here, but the... Okay. Fucking Python. Well, no wonder it won't run. Just take my word for it, I guess. We're running KNOPPIX 9. chmod +x. Install.sh. Install.sh. And now we will run uwo. Let's cd out of here. I don't... Oh! I forgot to actually... I'm dumb. So now we need to actually install it. You notice how that was instantaneous on the other one? So now let's cd into slash, just to, or probably better practice to do that. Clear. And now we can UwUfetch. It's not i386 compatible, is it? Maybe it needs to be marked as executable? Please work. It's probably 64-bit. You had to make UwUfetch 64-bit only. Okay, well, I'm not sure there's anything else we can do about that. Do you want to know why the video's so late? Well, you know, later than I thought it was going to be originally anyway. Well, because I had to try it. I mean, I couldn't just go ahead and say, oh, we can't run UwUfetch because it's not compiled for i386 processors. So I went and I compiled it for i386. It still doesn't fucking work. But instead of giving the same error it was before, it instead now just does absolutely nothing. So that's cool. So in the process of getting that to work, the cross-compile only took a second on the CPU I did it on, but I still had to learn what the fuck a makefile is, and that wasn't fun. I don't wish that on anyone. Oh my god, compiling is scary. And another reason why it took so long is because I was going through the long, stressful process of getting my driver's license. That's right, I have one of these now. Whenever you leave the house, you better cover your ass. Make sure I'm not driving near you. Did you really think I was going to show that? Even blurred? This is a hotel key card. But anyways, I do believe that finally brings this project to a close. Thank you all so very much for watching, especially this far. Good god, this is going to be a 45-minute long video. No one is going to see this part, but yeah. And I'll see you fellas in the next one, which should be a whole lot sooner, I hope. God, I hope.